Fuck, goddamn. Ah! Fuck! That was real good. That felt so good. Excuse me. Oh, I thought you meant like I need one, like I need to buy one. What? I feel like tonight is the night where I need everyone who likes burps in this room right now. That makes me like tear up. I feel it inside me. I feel